That.
That. Ew, ate! Hi, mga ate at kuya! Happy Father's Day po sa inyong lahat, mga kuya. Tito Mars is here. Nandito na naman po ako para po sa isa na naman pong vlog. At bilang Father's Day nga ho ngayon, babalik ho ako dun sa bahay ng lola at lolo ko para i-celebrate po namin kahit papano yung Father's Day kasama si lolo. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is magkakaroon tayo ng game. English only game. Kung sinong matalo sa game na to, may parusa syempre. Kapag ako yung natalo, ililibre ko ulit sila ng mga vitamins nung nakaraan kung nakita niyo yun. Pero kapag sila yung natalo, hingian ko sila ng ulam, iuwi ko dito sa apartment para mamayang gabi, pero na akong pagkain. So halika na mga ate at kuya, samahan niyo muna kami sa palengke. Bibili muna kami ng pangsahog sa pansit na ihanda namin mamaya. Papaluto ko siya kay Lola, tapos start na tayo ng game natin. Go! Ew, ate! Bukas yung pintuan. Hi! Happy Father's Day, Lola! Ay, sorry. Happy Father's Day. Bumili kami ng konting pansit, tsaka ng gulay, tsaka ng sardinas na iluluto namin ngayon. Ito kasi yung handa namin ngayong Father's Day. Pero bukod dito, meron kaming ganito. Yan. May mga fruits. Saan ito galing, Mike?
Binili namin kanina.
Ito, suman. Oh,
May suman, may pinya, may mga malagkit. Binili nila to kanina. Nagme-merienda kasi sila. So, pagdating natin, pagpadagdag tayo ng konting merienda. Pero, ngayon, meron tayong challenge. Tara na. Hindi tayo.
Challenge.
For today's video, ang gagawin natin is buka. Lulutuin natin tong pansit. Pero meron tayong challenge. Kailangan English only challenge lang. So, kapag nagtagalog ka, meron kang parusa. Habang niluluto niya, tatanong-tanongin natin siya ng mga bagay-bagay. Tapos mag-English-English kami. Okay ba yun? Napilitan siya. So, let's go! Ew, ate! So, this is it. These are the vegetables. And the challenge is already starting. So, no Tagalog.
No Tagalog.
So,
English.
you have to
English.
speak it English too. Okay?
I repeat this.
What are that? What are those?
The vegetable because
What kind of vegetable? What kind of vegetable is that?
nabayan na.
What?
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
And
And then, cabbage and
Baguio beans.
Baguio beans. Ah, English po kayo
And
din.
then,
And then, what's that?
carrot.
Okay, carrots. So this, what's this? What did you did to that? You what?
Yung
What? You
ano ba?
what? Go. You can do it. What? You?
Garlic and then
What? What? Garlic.
garlic and then
Onion.
onion.
What did you do? What did you do? You? Like this? What's this?
That's enough. Because it's always
Always what? Always what? What?
because
Stop. Onion and garlic.
Garlic.
You? What are you doing
I
there?
chop this because
Because
para
Because what?
para lumiit, para small. Very small. Oh,
Okay, so
like this.
are you done?
Done.
Are we done?
Yes.
Okay, we're done. So it's already chopped.
And then
And
I cook there
yes, we're gonna go there
and
at
I
the
cook.
kitchen and we're gonna cook. So
Yes,
let's go!
let's go.
Ew, ate! Okay, so we're here. So what are you gonna cook?
I
You what? You what? You what? You? What's
I
that?
put the canola and the
In the?
ayan pa.
Okay, I put. Is it open?
And then
It's not
open
yet open.
And then I open my gas stove.
Okay,
Yes.
the gas stove. And what are you gonna do? You open. Ayan.
And then I got this and Jesus,
What's
Mary.
that?
Onion.
Okay, what are you gonna do to the onion?
Yes, wait, because it's not
It's not. It's not yet.
cold pa.
What? Ano?
Oh no,
It's not yet what?
hindi pa kumukulo. It's not cold pa. What's wrong?
You're cooking it already, okay?
I got it.
So that's for the pancit.
And then, my pansahog is
Is the sardines.
sardine.
Is it okay for the
Yes.
sardines? Okay.
Yes. For the Filipino tour, this is a
Is AY. ah,
sahog.
okay. So, what are you doing? You tell the audience what are you doing.
I'm going to cook my pancit.
Okay.
This one.
So what's that? What's the one that you put?
Onion, tsaka garlic.
Okay, so you cook it.
Yes.
All right.
And then I open the pan
Of sardines.
to
Okay.
put the in the
In the in the what?
pan.
In the frying pan. Okay. So you put it there.
I cannot open. Yes.
You don't know how to open the sardines too.
And then I put this.
Okay. There. Okay,
I
the
put
vegetables.
vegetables. And then
And then,
I put toyo. This is my toyo. There. In
the soy
butter.
sauce. Yeah. You put it there. No salt, no pepper.
Wait. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Wow, very English girl.
Wait a minute.
Where did you learn? Where did you learn your English?
I learned in Hong Kong. Because the Chinese is English Carabao.
Okay.
Do you know?
Yeah. So that's the salt, right?
And then I put
You put
in a mix.
still cooking.
Okay.
Where's the ginisa mix? There.
And then
You put
I
it there. Yan. Okay, so that's the for the deliciousness of the pancit. What can you say to the fathers who are celebrating Father's Day today?
It's happy.
You say something to them. What's your message to the fathers who are celebrating Father's Day today? Wow.
I try my best.
Okay, go. Oh, go. What's your message? They're waiting. Your message to the fathers who are celebrating Father's Day. You look at the camera. You're so suplada. Go. What's
I'm
your
not suplada because I'm already.
already cooking? Oh, so what's your message? They're waiting, oh. Go.
I will silent this.
Okay, changing
God.
topic.
And then
You cook
I
the
put-
noodles.
yes.
Okay,
I
so
put this and then
we wait.
I
What's that?
put tomatoes,
No, soy sauce.
soy sauce,
To the pan. Okay.
and then
And then what?
cold na. I put this bihon.
Okay. So, you're waiting for the pan to cook first.
Yes.
Okay. So, what's your message? They're waiting, oh. Your message to the
I
fathers
message that
that that what?
your age longer pa.
What?
Your age be longer pa.
What?
Oh, be
What?
healthy.
Be healthy
Oh,
and
yes.
long life.
Yung, oh, yes.
That's why we cook pancit for long life. Yeah.
I put this because
You put the pancit, so it's gonna cook na. There.
it's very malutong.
Ah, malutong. What's malutong in English?
I don't know.
Crispy. There.
Bye. This is my, and then
And then, what?
it's not finished.
What did you say earlier when you were cutting your hair? The parlorist asked you what did she ask you earlier? About the vlog, about the vlog.
I said, no, yung
What?
yung ano,
What?
yung-
Oy, in English.
Ay, in
No
English.
Tagalog challenge.
he
What
said
did you say? What?
Apo raw kita. And then, I said, oh, sabi niya,
She
Ano?
said what? You're
it's nice
famous.
daw.
That
It's nice daw ngayon. Yung mga
because of the vlog.
vlog mo.
Ah, so it's now happy only.
Oh, sabi ko nga sa kananya, thank you. This is my pancit. You know that?
You're putting the vegetables.
Yeah. Then, I will put water because
Because it's no sabaw.
it's about. Yeah.
How is it? Is it now cooked or not yet? Or little more?
Little more.
A little, little more.
Yes.
Little more. What's little more? It's little more. It little. Are we done?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Pancit bihon with sardinas.
Oh,
This is your fork
okay.
and plate.
You are also a join for the game. No Tagalog. So,
Yes.
what's your message to the other fathers there? What are you gonna say? In
Today is-
English. You focus on the camera.
Today celebrate the Father's Day. I want to
To
celebrate my Father's Day.
yes,
Yes.
And
How about your health?
yeah, and your
Yes.
health,
health, good
Good health.
physical,
physical,
And
and
then,
long life.
long life. And then your hair will put the...
no, don't point.
This is the first time that I'm gonna be eating this because it has sardines in it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. It,
Yummy.
Yummy. It tastes
Oh.
like
See?
yeah. It
Oh.
tastes like a normal pancit.
I said, yummy.
It water. Is it the normal? What's the normal that you're putting here? Like pork, beef.
No.
What? What? Toot loading what? What? Her English
In English,
is stopping already. What
my topping is
is? You look at the camera, so you're not
Garlic.
snubber. Thank you. Onion. Sardine. Pepper.
sardine, pepper, and vegetable.
And vegetables. Maraming salamat po sa pag-celebrate nyo sa amin ng Father's Day. Sa susunod po ulit naming vlog kasama ang aking lola at lolo. Bago tayo matapos, lo, meron ka bang message sa mga kapwa mo, tatay, mga father dyan ngayong Father's Day?
Happy Father's Day.
And
Good
then,
health for your health.
Good health and long life. Ikaw, Mai, ano bang message mo sa mga tatay dyan?
ang message ko sa mga tatay, be careful because yourself is...
Englishera pa rin siya.
Englishira pa rin ako.
Tapos na ang challenge natin na English speaking challenge. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa aming vlog. Hanggang sa susunod po ulit.
Sa mga
Bye!
tatay, masasabi ko, bawasan ang pag-inom ng emperador, lalo na ang kabayo, marka ni kabayo.
Tama na. Bye! Ew, ate! Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nag-subscribe simula po sa huli po nating vlog. Ngayon po, meron na po tayong 5,000 YouTube subscribers. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng sumuporta, patuloy pong sumusuporta at patuloy pong nanonood sa mga vlog na ginagawa ko po. Gaya nga po ng sinabi ko dati, happy na lang po tayo dito. At huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-hit like, comment, share, subscribe sa YouTube channel po natin. Hanggang sa muli po natin pagkikita. Bye!